Hey, what's going on, guys? Forgive here, and welcome to this Roblox game called Little Nightmares 2: The Hunter's Cabin. I don't know if it's like some a scene from Little Nightmares 2. I don't really care because I haven't played Little Nightmares 2, but I don't care about spoilers because I don't plan on playing it. Even though I played the first one, I didn't finish it either. Is this a roleplay game? I swear, is this a roleplay game? I thought I was gonna have some good horror game. Is this seriously a roleplay game? Because this is name here and stuff. Is this? I might find something else to play. If this is, lighter, flashlight. Like seriously, this could have been a legitimate horror game or something. No, it's a roleplay game. I'm pretty sure this is legitimately a roleplay game. I'm sad. I am sad. Because I thought this was going to be an amazing game. Like a legitimate horror game. Nope, apparently not. Let me find another game to play for you guys. I wanted to play something like horror-ish today for you guys, and I found this. Don't press the horror button. So is this just don't press the button, but a horror game? Or just scary, supposedly scary? Because if so, and this is where the button is, this game sucks. Ooga booga, spooky, ah. Hospital? Or wait, no, this ain't it. What the heck you do? I say a hospital? Oh no, and I seen that in not on the news. I know what this place is. Ah! Well, they climb out and no clue. Well, crap. That was spooky. Spooky explosion. Spooky. It's a spooky month. Oh, dear God. I almost just banged my nuts on that pole, and then I saw the tidal wave, so I didn't say it. Because I was surprised about the tidal wave. Now what is this, Granny's house? FNAF 4? Found a coin. I don't get what this is supposed to be. Oh, it's a mirror. It's a 2D mirror. The mirror can't keep up. Will there be a red particle? When there will be red pixels? Oh, no. Oh my God, why do I suck balls? You better hurry. Freaking turd snowman, fire demon. What the freak? Yep, turd snowman fire demon just killed us. Aw, jackballs. I just... What? I'm hiding up here. Ah, crap. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Stupid. Stupid. Haha, stupid. Oh no. Oh no! The spooky, spooky man face is trying to kill me! Why is this just in the chat? Hi? Pumpkin! Oh no, it's reminding me of that meme. Pumpkin! Everybody in my school keeps freaking saying it and it's annoying. Ball. Why is there a disco ball? Oh great, now Shrek, no! I have you as my wallpaper and lock screen. I legitimately do. This was a terrible idea to put a cave here. We just climb up it.
What the hell? Oh, it's just somebody.
Nothing's more scary than someone's search history. Oh my god. I just woke up a few hours ago and I'm still able to crack jokes. Hey! Oh no, not this again. Can I sit up here instead of that giant cave rock? What the freak is a cave rock? They found a way to screw up and make it be able to get up there. I shall press the button and lead it to lead us to death. Green going? No. 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 Also, guys. Oh, frick. Like and subscribe. Mostly like. If this gets 10 likes, I'll do a double upload today. Us three are the only ones who survived the flash flood. Everybody. Oh no.
It's just.
I'm so confused. How do I die? How do half people die and everything? Do we have to get out of the way of it? I thought we just had to get far. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm a complete idiot. I'm a complete idiot, bro. I'll go get the facts as weird hospital, maybe place. That's over me. The heck? I don't get this reference. Or is that legitimately someone in there? No, it's not. So then, yes, it's a reference. I don't get it. Please tell me down below because I'm an idiot. Wow! Oh no, so many tubbies. I once tried to make a video on it, and then I got too much of a scaredy cat. Ah! I think I'm going to be the one landing on it, most likely. Maybe not, maybe so. I'm going to do it. I just want to land on the stupid button like everybody else. Would it be cool? I would have landed on the mother freaker. Oh, I was just saying, so confused. Where's the map? Oh, no, but no, it's spooky murder face guy. I swear to God, well, he's right in my booty. And he got my booty. Oh, yeah. I'm just being stupid. What the heck was that? Well, I know where I'm going. Money! Okay, now I'm gonna have... What the heck is this supposed to be? I was about to say something, but I knew it was gonna come out wrong. I'm happy I did not say that. I was about to say something, I was like, what is that? And I was about to say something, and then I realized it's gonna sound racist. Me saying it sounds good is gonna sound racist. You guys probably know what it is then. Come on, I just want to get to the top. I don't want to die. Haha, losers. I was scared I was gonna fall off. Die. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, how? That was so... What? My freaking purple guy. I'm stupid. I don't know how to edit, so I have to do sound effects myself. Or memes myself. Because I have no clue how to edit, especially on mobile. Oh, a mobile gamer buster. Because you've seen my Xbox videos. They suck. Or at least me trying to record them. They can be good, it's just the way they are, the cameras suck. Ah, spooky scream. Ah. I was supposed to say flash warning, but I'm stuck jumping. Help me. There we go. Diddle. I fell. I was going to say diddle darn it. Then acid or something came off. Only one guy survived. Well, that's sad. Oh, gray. Oh, gray ogre. Stupid. I want to go in here. There's a spider. A dead spider in a cave. Bro, why would I live? Well, I wouldn't want to live there. It's just a dead spider in a cave. And spider web. Hey, I finally landed on it. That was stupid. I did not press the shop at all. It's in the shop. What can I get? Tix bomb? 500. Ninja guitar. Play the Fire and the Flames. Yeah, no. Yeah, just no. Yeah. Spooky walls are going to get artist. Spooky faces. I'm gonna stay like this. I've seen if I touch them, I would die. Apparently not. That guy just got consumed by the walls. Oh no, spooky face guy! Ah! 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 Bro, where'd he go? That one was body part. I don't know what that is. Body part that is just go. Take him, not me! Oh. Well, I'm safe. Well, I'm safe. Is this like supposed to be a reference to Raft or something? Oh no. That gave me and that other guy no chance of survival. He just spawned right next to us and killed us immediately. That was not fair, man. That was just not fair. Well, guys, I think that would be the end of this video. Like, subscribe, dislike if you didn't like it, and please comment down below what you didn't like about it, and I'll try to stop. But yeah, if I get 10 likes, I will do a double upload today. See ya.